Hey guys, welcome to Sparkle Faith and Glam. My name is Ashley. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I post every Tuesdays and Fridays and hopefully in the near future 3 times a week. So go ahead and subscribe so you can and hit that bell so you can get the notifications for when I post. And then we're just gonna go ahead and get right into this look. We're gonna be using the Mochi, Love You So Mochi palettes. My lighting is horrible today, sorry you guys, but I really want to film. So we're gonna go in with this palette here, and this one is Electronic Pastels. It looks like that. I hope you guys can see it. All right, so we're just gonna go in with this Wet n Wild little brush. I need to clean all my brushes. My brushes are looking horrible right now, but we're gonna go in with this blue here. We're just gonna go right in. And we're gonna do kind of like a smoky eye. Today's 4th of July, so I wanna do a look, a 4th of July look. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So I have used these colors before. I just haven't done like a full look with them. I normally just use them for their shimmers, not for like a whole look. We're just patting this in and deepening it. And I'm gonna go on each side and go kind of make it smoky a little bit, but this is gonna be like a light smoky eye. And I'm gonna just keep on, we're gonna go on this side. These are creamy. I've always known to use them with my fingers, like anytime I do use them, so I don't know, we'll see. They look like they're blending out pretty well though. I hope you guys can see this because I don't want this to be a waste of a video. There's not very many colors I can go in with this, so it's probably just gonna be a really simple eye look. Yeah, I can't really go too deep with this look. That's like the deepest it goes, so should we just keep making it deeper? I'm gonna take a little pencil brush, this little white one here. I'm just gonna go deeper into this color here. This isn't what I'm wearing today. That would be crazy if I was trying to put this blue on with this outfit. So I'm just going in my crease and just deepening it out. That's really all I'm doing. Because I don't feel there's any other colors I could do this with to deepen it, because all the other colors are pretty light. And of course, the only one that's not like really shimmery is this white one here. And I need like a white shimmery one. So I don't know. Let's just try it. Take a brush and then I'll spritz it. Some illuminating of cream. And we're just gonna see if this brightens up. I mean, it does a little bit, but I don't like it. Because it's not, I look like Frozen right now. I also have the highlight Love You So Mochi. So we're gonna go in with that one. And we're gonna go in with this shimmery color here. We'll go in with this one. No, we'll go in with this one. This one. And we're just packing it in the middle. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wet it. So I'm gonna put it on the brush and then I'm gonna wet it. There we go. That looks better. Yeah, it's alright. It's coming together. So I'm gonna bring the blue back out. So I'm gonna see if I can go in with one of these colors. We'll go in with this really like blue color here. I'm gonna take a small detailing brush just in case it doesn't turn out. I don't know how I like this look. because it's just like not coming out the right way at all. I feel like frozen right now. I mean, the mochi colors are good. I like them. Like they're they're really soft and they blend out well. Let it go, let it go. Maybe if I add the red, once I add the red, it will be okay. So we're just gonna take the red from the NYX palette and with that red right in that top corner. And let's see how this works out. Okay, turning out. This might be cute, this might be cute. You guys like it so far? I know this is a horrible video, but very last minute too. Like I knew I wanted to record today, but I just didn't know if I was gonna have time. Let me know down below if you guys like this look, because I don't know how I feel about it. And we're just gonna take a white eyeliner and we're gonna put it in our eyes. And in here. And it's kind of red in there, so. I hate when you're like not confident about a look and then at the end, like you literally just want to wipe off all your makeup, because that's how I felt when I felt like frozen. And then at the end it like comes together. Like that's literally how I felt. I wanted to just like take off all my makeup. And now look, it's coming together with a different brush. We're gonna go in with this brush because it's just easier to get in there. And you guys, I know I need to wash my brushes. Don't get on me about that because I just haven't had time. I need a different mirror. We're gonna go in with my other mirror so you guys could see it. Ooh, I'm gonna spray this. I'm gonna spray it so it can come out more vibrant. Ooh, yes, girl. It's cute or whatever. I think I'm gonna do black liner. So we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. eyeliner. I'm nervous because I kind of suck at eyeliner, but I don't think I'm gonna do a wing. I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of eyeliner on top. Just like that. Ooh. You guys, this video has been so crazy. It's been difficult to record and everything. Like, this video is just so last minute. Go in one more time with the Mochi highlighter because I want my eyes to be a little brighter. What do you guys think so far? I'm like impressed with myself because this was not coming out good. At first I felt like frozen, like I said a million times, but I have this NYX like glitter. I think I want to use it. So we're just gonna go on our crease. And I know you have to wait for it to dry a little bit and then we'll do our other eye. I think the red really brought it together at the bottom. I think this might be too thick, like this isn't how people do it, but this is how I do it, girl. So next, while that's drying, I'll go ahead and put on mascara because I feel like I can put on mascara without messing that up. I think I already messed up the glitter because I think I put it on too thick. Whatever. I think it came out pretty good for like how like insecure I was about my makeup look in the beginning. So next we're just gonna go in and put highlighter on with this Mochi one. Of course, I think I'm saying Mochi. I think I'm saying it right. We're just gonna go in with the more like natural. Let's go in with the pink because it's closer to red. And we'll just pop that on there. And pop it on our nose. I don't think the Mochi highlight, like the pink one, is that like bamming your face. I think it's kind of more natural. And then next we'll do our lips, and as always, I'm just gonna go in with a nude lip. This one. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. I hope this was good quality for you guys. I don't know why my light, like, I used a light from the window and I don't know why it's not like shining over here today. I think I normally don't film this late, but it still looks pretty dark to me, so I don't know. Hopefully you guys can see it. But if you like this video, go ahead and give me a like and comment down below if you guys would like to see what type of video you guys would like to see, and then also go ahead and subscribe. All right, love you guys. Peace.